Good day, everybody. It's Rod with POW Group. Exciting update coming your way. It's Tuesday, March 25th. We're going to get started here momentarily. We'll give it another 30 seconds to a minute for people to jump on. Very exciting news. The case is all but over. We've just need the official confirmation from the SEC. They have a closed door meeting coming up on Thursday, so we'll discuss all of that and more. Let us know where you're tuning in from, and smash the like on your way in. Share the video with anybody that can jump on last minute, and we'll get to it here shortly. Ton of people joining. We got Jam in the house. Welcome, welcome. We're going to get started here in about 15 seconds. Just sharing the video out on a couple other platforms and we'll get started. All right, welcome back on the Pursuit of Wealth, everybody. It's Rod with POW Group. We're going to get started with the live stream today. We've got an exciting update. I mentioned in the POW Group private community, I think it was yesterday, that you could just feel it coming any day now. We were going to get the news that the case is officially dropped, and I know what people are going to say, or what most people are going to think. They're going to say this news didn't officially come from the SEC, the U.S. government. What gives? So I'm not worried about that one bit. I think this is all but over. We just need that official confirmation from the SEC. But before we get to it, make sure to smash the like. It's Rod with POW Group. Thanks again for joining us on the Pursuit of Wealth. As always, this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. Forgot to change the thumbnail, but that's a sneak peek into the next video that's coming. I was actually just getting ready to do a Tilray video, and then this news dropped. So we'll take it, but you can keep an eye out for the Tilray video coming in just a moment. Exciting update with regards to Amazon growth for their highball and partnership with Whole Foods, which is owned by Amazon. But big news, the SEC has basically, well, want to see official confirmation, but Stu Alderodi, chief legal officer at legal counsel at Ripple, said that they have agreed, SEC has agreed to reduce the $125 million fine to a $50 million fine. I said that as well. I said, I bet you somewhere around 25 to 50 million makes sense. Came in at 50 million, and I mentioned that the injunction would more than likely be dropped. And yeah, that's what they're filing to do. They're going to be filing with the court to drop the injunction. The SEC will be doing that. So this is huge news. This is a long time coming. It's been a brutal 4 or 5 years. And we're finally being rewarded as XRP holders, the decentralized virtual currency and digital asset, but also as Ripple shareholders. There's actually Ripple shares. There's a private company called Ripple. There's two very different things. One's a cryptocurrency, one's a company. One is a CEO, one doesn't. So don't conflate the two. If you do, you're an absolute moron or a Bitcoin maxi and you're a cult following person, and you're just religious to one particular project or coin, which is absolutely ridiculous. So smack you out of it. Like, stop that. If you're saying Ripple instead of XRP, that's enough of that. But yeah, as always, not financial advice. Like I said, thanks again for joining us back on the Pursuit of Wealth, your home for MJ stocks, crypto assets, news and interviews. Smash the like, share the video, all that good stuff. Tick the bell, you'll be notified on any future content. You can also follow us over on X, formerly Twitter. Handle for that is @GroupPow. Going to be using that as my platform of choice going forward. And John Deaton, the man, the myth, the legend, says, and suddenly it's over. As you can see, if we just refresh this, Stu Alderodi's post, this came out, well, it says 28 minutes. I think that's correct. Yeah, 11:34. So yeah, about 28 minutes ago. Stu Alderodi, directly from chief legal counsel here at Ripple. The final crossing of the T's and dotting of the I's, and what should be my last update on the SEC versus Ripple ever. Ever. Let's just highlight and emphasize the ever part. Last week, I'm so excited. This is amazing. Last week, the SEC agreed to drop its appeal without conditions. Ripple has now agreed to drop its cross appeal. The SEC will keep 50 million of the 125 million fine already in the interest-bearing escrow cash account, with the balance returned to Ripple. The agency will ask the court to lift the standard injunction, which prevents them, right, from selling to institutions, which is huge, that was imposed early in the SEC's request, all subject to commission vote, drafting of the final documents, and usual court processes. That's all, folks. And there's a meeting on Thursday with the SEC, closed-door meeting, and that's going to be the Sunshine Act. They're going to more than likely vote on it on Thursday. Thursday's also another very important day, in case you missed it. Paul Atkins is going to be having his Senate hearing and could be confirmed shortly after that, but more than likely at the latest second week of April. So I've been saying watch for April to be an absolute explosive month, and March, Trump even tweeted himself saying alt season starts in March, and I think this is what's going to kickstart it. We're going to see Solana ETFs, XRP ETFs galore. You're going to see BlackRock getting into to XRP. Basically, I think it was Robbie Mitchnick who said that XRP checks off all the boxes, so you're going to see a Ripple. You're going to see, after the Ripple case, you're going to see the XRP ETFs go live. You're going to see Ripple IPO. I posted, let me just bring it up here. I didn't have it up, but I'll bring it up. I try not to be all over the place here. I'm a little excited. Came on here last minute. Like I said, I was getting ready to do a Tilray video, but let's just go back down. I think it was, somebody liked it. So if I can just scroll down. Yeah, it was right here. Martin Lucas Investor liked it, so thanks, Martin. What to expect next for the Ripple the company, and XRP the digital asset? XRP ETFs, Ripple IPO, more partnerships, RWA tokenization. You're going to see banks roll out in Japan. There's already companies where you can buy real estate with XRP. RWA, so real world asset tokenization. Everything's going to be tokenized, right? If it's a value, it can be tokenized. Stocks, bonds, everything. More stablecoins, no tax crypto in the U.S., strategic reserve stockpile, sovereign wealth fund, crypto legislation that realistically could come before August recess, more CBDCs, and DeFi. There was a news out about Flare and more decentralized finance and staking and whatnot on Flare. So it's an exciting time. And if I just bring up the Pow Group private community here and go to the crypto page, I think it was yesterday. Let me just go up. Also, Rumble today posted their fourth quarter and full year 2024 results. They received a $775 million strategic investment from Tether. But this is the Pow Group private community here. Here's that Flare institutional partners building XRP staking on Flare update. Also, Ondo Finance. Shout out to Steve. Ondo Finance expands XRP and Stellar Reach with tokenized treasuries. You can see where we're going, right? Here we go. So this was Sunday, March 23rd. So 2 days ago. I have a hunch that something big is coming before the end of March. Trump said that alt season starts in March and things have been so quiet, usually calm before the storm. And this time I feel the storm is going to be a good one and the dam is likely going to break soon, is what I said inside of the thread. And I've said more than likely going to be an update on the Ripple case. And sure enough, we got it today. Stu Alderodi. And like I said, we should see an official vote. So similar to what happened with the Coinbase case when they agreed to drop it, the SEC, they had to have a vote on it, and it was usually like a week after. So this week, more than likely going to see, because last week is when we got the news, and then I think Thursday with the SEC meeting, and then Paul Atkins coming in, that's when we're going to get the official announcement, maybe Thursday or Friday next week. But this is all but over, folks. This is great to see. If we take a look at XRP here, we're not really seeing much, and I know what people are going to say, how come the price isn't reacting, right? It's not. XRP isn't going to move all on its own. It can, it has, it could in the future. But what we need to see, and I just mentioned this in the Pow Group private community to private members, what we need to see is Bitcoin back above 100,000, and we need to see these these ETFs go live, and we need to see the DXY lose 100. So if we get all of those conditions, I think XRP and the rest of the crypto sector is going to absolutely explode. We're going to see the M2 money supplies exploding right now. You're going to see tons of liquidity enter the market. You're going to see a market like you've never even imagined, right? We're going to see the biggest blow off top here coming very, very soon. And like I said, I think XRP is more than likely going to hit somewhere around that $12 to $16 is the most likely scenario this cycle. I think $8 to $12 is basically all but confirmed. I would say that's a 99.999% chance it's happening this cycle, more than likely over the next few months. And on the high end, maybe we hit somewhere, between $17 to $27. But I'm not subscribing to $100 this cycle. If it does, I have a plan for it. If you haven't seen my XRP exit video, just go to my channel, go here, click on search, and type in XRP exit. It'll be the first video that comes up here. Over 4,000 views, lots of great feedback on that video. If we just click on it here And yeah, it's got 245 likes. So basically, I go through my entire plan and I give an example. So I could own more, could own less. I never tell anybody how much I own of any asset. I just puts a target on your back, and I would encourage that other people do the same. But I also put out a poll on X, and I would encourage everybody to go and take a look at this and let me know your thoughts and opinions. I also put it out on YouTube as well. So I said, which content would you like to see more from POW Group? I put XRP, and obviously you can only put 4 options. So I put other comment below. If you have other cryptos or other MJ companies, let me know. Obviously, we're an MJ-centric channel, but then we focus on crypto and blockchain secondarily. And then, yeah, XRP was second on the list and Tilray first. If we take a look at the poll here on X, it was a very similar outcome. Tilray first, XRP. Actually, Canopy Growth came in second, which is surprising, but a lot less votes, 111 votes here, and almost 1,000 views on X. If we take a look at YouTube, it had 181 votes, but very different, seems like very different communities and engagement here on X. But these are the 2 platforms that I use, and never ever believe anybody if they're trying to impersonate me as POW Group. Always look for the blue check mark, and yeah, just be careful of scammers. And check out tangem.com as well if you're looking for the best place to do self-custody. I highly recommend Tangem. I have the Ring. It's dope. Also, the 3-card set is what I recommend. It's, not your keys, not your crypto, so you control your private keys. And if you go to tangem.com, you can use code POW and get 10% off. And just be very, very careful of these YouTube videos that are, there'll be an ad come up here more than likely saying, and I haven't seen a whole lot of them lately, so I think YouTube's cracking down. But, there used to be so many deep fakes saying, oh, send us 1,000 XRP, we'll send you 1,000 back, or send us XRP, send us your XRP and we'll send you double back. So just be very careful of those scams. Assume everything's a scam these days. So Jam in the house, smash the like button. Appreciate it, Jam. Jam the man. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, I really do appreciate all the support, man. It goes a long way, so I really do appreciate that. We got Let's Go Tilray. Yeah, exactly. So Tilray was in here, King Tilray, and I've got a video coming up on Tilray here shortly after. So for all you MJ enthusiasts, don't worry, I got you. Let's go XRP. Let's go Tilray after the XRP explosion. Yeah, I can't wait, man, to start rotating my crypto profits into more Tilray, more beaten down MJ. But yeah, Tilray, I've got excuse my French, a shitload of Tilray, but I'll be adding more. I've never been, there's only one other company other than XRP that I'm more confident in. And well, XRP is not a company, but there's only one other investment that I'm more confident in than XRP, and that's Tilray. I know enough to know I've done thousands of hours of research. Tilray isn't going anywhere. It's going to be the Amazon of the MJ industry. So, and I'm not talking it's going to be worth the same as Amazon. It's not going to have the same stock price, blah, blah, blah. Comparing apples to oranges. Shut up. I can't stand these people anymore. In terms of percentage gain and the leader, the blue chip winner, it's going to be Tilray. Mark my words, 5, 10, 20 years, whenever we're talking about it, everybody's going to be looking back and be like, remember how POW Group told everybody it was going to be Hexo and Tilray the entire time? I still get people chastising me and just, kind of harping on me saying, oh, you said Hexo was a great investment and they went to zero. It's like, no, they didn't. Tilray bought them. And they even said themselves that, it's one of the best MJ companies out there. So, and now Tilray is an absolute powerhouse. Watch. XRP, Ripple. XRP will be the most valuable in terms of market cap digital currency on the planet. Ripple will be the most valuable company on the planet. It'll beat Amazon, Apple, Google, Tesla, everything. It'll beat all of them. And then Tilray will be the most valuable market cap in terms of MJ. Guaranteed. Not financial advice. XRP says, Scotty, we got Chow Runner. Justin says BTC break 90K and all flies. Yeah, I would argue 100K. If Bitcoin gets above 100K and the DXY drops below 100, then it's go time. Get couple that with XRP ETF news. Oh man, and then all this other stuff. Oh, you have no idea what's coming because a lot of these companies, right? Once we get actual legislation, right? Clear rules of the road. Look what happened in 1996 after the internet got its legislation and clarity. This is going to be 100 times bigger than the internet of information. This is the internet of value. This is the internet of money, right? What does the world run on? Money, right? Way more valuable. We're talking all of the money. $50 to $100 trillion asset class this is going to be in the next 5 to 10 years, right? We're already at 3 or 4 trillion, right? What was it? currently at, actually, let's just take a quick peek. 2.88 trillion. This is easily going to be 50 to 100 trillion, but that's only going to happen after legal clarity and regulatory clear rules of the road. All will fly, absolutely. Angel, thumbs up. Thanks for joining. Going to be Oxley, market. No, I would bet. I will eat dirt. Again, just like I said, Tilray. No, there's not even any comparison, Scott. I love Oxley. Don't get me wrong, but that's like comparing Amazon to like I don't know, Dell. You know, it's like, or like Apple to Dell, or like yeah, Yahoo to Google or something. 90K was prior support. Need to flip it back again. Yeah, exactly. It's been acting as resistance. So that would be, yeah, 90K is going to be the start. But I think FOMO and full blown euphoria starts after 100K. It's been a while since DXY got below 100. Could you look at the chart, please? Yeah, I can take a look at that. Take a quick peek. I do want to wrap it up here pretty soon. I'll do a little bit more of a deeper dive at some point soon, but wanted to come on and report the breaking news. So yeah, DXY, big old bear flag, and EMA 12 and 26 bear cross just occurred. So if we take our fib tool here, go from the high to the low, it's actually a weak bear flag at the moment, or sorry, a weak bounce and a bear flag at the moment. And then we just take our measured move there from the high to the low, move it out to our 0.32 fib. And it says the DXY is targeting, if confirmed, hasn't confirmed it yet, but 100. So again, that could happen over the next couple of weeks, and that coincides with the appointment and confirmation of Paul Atkins coming into the SEC as well. So we have our high, low of the dump, lower high, and weak bounce. Anything under 104.92 is a potential weekly bear flag. If we top out here, come down, lose support in the low of the dump there at 103.19, that confirms the weekly bear flag, and then we just take the measured move it out to our 0.32 fib, and it's saying 100.47 would be the target. And then from there, I would expect more than likely 100 to act as support. We come down, fizzle out, maybe form another lower high, and then it would just be Geronimo after that. Look out below. And that'll be awesome for stocks and crypto. SPY as well. So SPY was a daily bear flag, and we just confirmed a daily uptrend, so that's great to see. And we're getting above the 0.32 fib, old resistance, now testing it as new support. So it's negating that daily bear flag, which is great to see. That's good for stocks and crypto. Now we just need DXY to break down, confirm that weekly bear flag, lose 100 for full-blown alt season, and euphoria and blow off top to come into the markets, in my opinion. Also, EMA 12 and 26 bull cross lining up on SPY as well, so love to see that. Nature Lover says, Cureleaf, yeah, I'll have to do another video. This is a crypto video, so I want to try to keep it on topic. So I'm going to be doing a Tilray video after this. Maybe I'll look to do a Cureleaf video as well, but maybe I'll come on as well and just do a live stream, do some ticker requests. It's been a while. And you can check out all the new POW Group memberships as well. I forgot to mention that if you go to, there's a ton of new memberships as well on powgroup.ca or pursuitofwealthgroup.com. So if you want to join the POW Group private community, like I was discussing earlier, we just talk day in, day out. Shout out to Vino as well. We were talking about how short interest is costing 384% on Tilray, so it was the bottom in. But yeah, you got all your news, automatic news fetching from like a dozen publishers as well, all in there. Price will be going up for the POW Group private community soon, but anybody who locks in the price now or who is already in, don't worry. I had a ton of people asking that in the POW Group private community. We have close to 50 members now. They're like, oh, is my price going to be locked in? Yes, it's not going to change as long as you sign up before the price increases. I hired a marketing agency, so I'm going to be growing the channel. Got a lot of great ideas for the channel, and hired a very competent marketing agency. So like I said, over the coming months, channel is going to grow tremendously, and I got a lot of benefits for existing members. And again, also working on a new course. So if you go here, click on Academy, the pre-order is available. Already had a couple people sign up for the pre-order, so thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. It definitely motivates me to. There's a lot of work that goes into this thing, right? Like this is the first course that I did. It's 3 chapters, 30 modules. And it's a lot of work to go into this just in order to do all the research, get it all done, and then record it, and then post it all. So it takes a lot of work. So this is the Investing and Trading Mastery course, and this is all in Canadian dollars, of course. So if you're in the US, you get the benefit of paying basically nothing. So because our dollar's worth crap. But also launched new memberships on on YouTube. So if you just go to the description of this video, there's always going to be links to it as well. So if you go here, there's a link to it, YouTube membership, or you can just go here on the page and click join. You have the VIP, so it gives you the loyalty badges, custom emojis, member only videos. Then the elite one is a 10% discount on powmerch.ca and supersede all other member ticker and chart requests. You get supporter, 10% discount on the academy courses, mastermind. So if you want to join all of the YouTube members for a monthly, and also the POW Group private community members will get to join as well. So you don't have to sign up for this if you're a POW Group private community member, but you'll get access to the monthly huddle and mastermind. So essentially it'll be on Google Meet or Zoom, and everybody will be able to have a huddle and a mastermind. If you want to become a sponsor of the channel, if you have a business and you want to promote it on the channel, on my main page, I'll promote your YouTube channel. And if you want to become a gold sponsor, I'll promote your company and brand in at least 5 shout outs in at least 5 videos per month. And I'll also put a link to your website and your brand on my POW Group website with a link to your site. And it also helps support the channel, keep the lights on here, and motivate me to keep going, because there's a lot of work, and it's a one-man show here. And like I said, prices will be going up. So for those that take advantage of it now, you'll be able to lock that in, and that's good for forever, right? Price will be locked in as long as you don't cancel. So really do appreciate it. All right, going to wrap it up. Thank you, Jam. No problem at all. I'm going to join POW soon. Thank you very much. I appreciate the support. I've been trying to make more money to do so. Yeah, well, that's kind of the benefit too, right? If you join in, you come in, kind of take advantage of all the knowledge and the setups. Tons of people took the Oxley trade as well. SBCE was another trade that we're taking at the moment, and Oxley, a lot of us were loading at 1 penny, 2 pennies, and just hit 10.5 cents there the other day. So while MJ's been absolutely destroyed, Oxley's just quietly done a 10x. So $1,000 into $10,000, life-changing wealth on the horizon, I think, for that. And XRP, oh man, we've been buying this thing for the last 4 or 5 years. Really, I've been dollar cost averaging for the last 6, 7 years, and my cost basis now is somewhere around 40 cents. And it's already life-changing wealth, and it's just the beginning. So can't wait to pay it forward as well. I've got some exciting new, like I said, working with this marketing agency, going to be ramping up. And that's another thing too. If you become a sponsor, all this new traffic, like I've got 30,000 views between my YouTube channel and my videos. And then there's also Rumble. I think I have like close to 35,000 views on my website, Rumble, YouTube. Then you factor in X, like it's probably close to 50,000. So by me working with this marketing agency, that 50,000, I was just without working with a marketing agency, that 50,000 could jump up to 100,000 views. And then you get to, for $150 Canadian or $100 basically US a month, you get access to that 50,000 or 100,000 views through my channel and website, right? So we'll all grow together. So if you have a business, there's tons of people in POW Group that have a business, they're entrepreneurs, and it kind of saves you from having to hire a marketing agency, right? But I would encourage you to hire a marketing agency eventually, but you start low, go slow, crawl, walk, run type of thing, right? But I never did any promoting. I don't do any ads at all, and that's all going to change this month and in the coming months. And you're going to see this channel absolutely explode, and we're all gonna grow together. And the bigger the community gets, the more we're able to help more people. So I'm looking forward to it, and I can't wait to rotate more of the profits from crypto into more beaten down MJ. Very excited. But yeah, like I said, happy to have you back. I know you signed up briefly there, Jam, so we'd love to have you back. Is Tilray going to have to do a reverse split to get compliant on the exchange above 100? They got they could potentially have like a year, Scott. So they haven't even got the warning yet. Then they'll have a 6-month time frame to regain compliance. They could get an extension like Village Farms did. So it's basically over a whole year before they're forced to do it. Does that mean they might do it sooner? Possibly. I don't think it's the end of the world. But yeah. Emil says, trading course. Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for being a VIP member as well. Looks like you've been a VIP member for 2 months. You got the 2-month badge there. So very, 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 very thankful and appreciate all of the support. But yeah, if you go to powgroup.ca or pursuitofwealthgroup.com, both will take you there. Just click on Academy and you can sign up for the first course. That'll get you by until the new Advanced Mastery Trading and Investing course comes out. I'm hoping in the next 2 to 3 months, it should be ready. Like I said, it is a lot of work. I've been working on it for a very, very long time. And if anybody has any suggestions, I'm kind of at the part now where I'm looking to incorporate some feedback from the community, like, some of the things that you'd like to see in there, and hopefully add as much in there as possible that people want to see. But yeah, that hopefully in the next couple of months. So I really do appreciate it. Scott says, thank you. You bet. No problem at all. All right, going in it there. It's an exciting day. Like I said, this is almost 5 years. I think it was December 2020. So we're coming up on the 5-year mark when Ripple was sued by the SEC. And yeah, there's no idea how telling, or there's no idea or how to tell how high this thing's going to go, right? Like we've been suppressed for 7 years, almost 8 years since we hit a new all-time high. Last time was in 2018. So it's been a long time coming, and we're going to get ours, and it's going to be one hell of a day. So can't wait to celebrate. We have lots to celebrate now, but there's going to be even more reason to celebrate here in the future. Once again, thanks again for joining us in the Pursuit of Wealth. It's Rod with POW Group, and we'll see you again on the next video. Uh, YouTube YT user, just saw a late comment come in there. Idea: let folks that pre-order do a sneak peek in order to get feedback. Yeah, that's a great idea. I'm still finalizing everything. If you actually go to pursuitofwealthgroup.com or powgroup.ca, or just go to Google, type in POW Group, it'll be the first one come up. Click on my website, click on Academy. You can preview the course curriculum from the first one. So it'll be basically similar to that, only just advanced. So a lot further explaining. I'm going to be, all my charts. I'll show you how to start to finish, how I set up all my stuff, what indicators and patterns and signals I use. And I'll show you exactly how I set it up, and how to set up your own charts, indicators, the way that I do it, if you're interested in doing it the way that I do. And then if you want to, tailor it to your own way after. But yeah, I think it's going to be a ton of value packed in there. And, you don't have to take the first course to get value out of the second. But even if you're, a seasoned vet, I think you'll still get a lot of value out of the beginner course as well, the intermediate one, the course number 1. The Trading and Investing 101. So again, it doesn't matter if you've been investing for 5, 10, trading for 5 or 10 years. I think you'll get a lot of value out of that first one, but you don't need to take it in order to understand the second course either. So I kind of made it that way for a reason. But yeah, thank you very much. I'll consider that. I'll do my best to kind of get a sneak peek. You can actually do that. There is an option to do that on the other course as well. So if you go to pursuitofwealthgroup.com and click on Academy, and then click on that Trading and Investing 101 course, there is a free preview. There's a button there, and then you can scroll down and it gives you the entire course curriculum. So you can basically base it off of that. It's going to be very similar. Thanks. Yeah, no problem at all. All right. Thank you very much for the feedback, and really appreciate each and every one of you. Much love, and we'll see you again soon.